Hey everyone, welcome back to another productivity pro tip. Today, I'm letting you in on some shortcut keys that work like magic across most Office applications. But first up, I'm Kat Schneider, Power Platform developer here at Insight and your productivity pro today. I've got almost 15 years in the public sector trying to find new and innovative ways to use the various Microsoft tools available. My passion for and curiosity about data has led me on a journey of continuous learning and growth. And it's that passion that I share back into the Microsoft communities and here with you today. So let's get started. So you might be wondering, how can quick keys help me be more productive? There's so many clicks and applications to open and navigating in menus. Look at some common shortcuts that are near universal across Microsoft applications. First, let's look at the old reliable control key. This combination with X will cut and C will copy both to your clipboard, where V will then paste from it. If I mess up, I can use Control Z where I can fix my oopses, and Y will ask but allow me to put it back. S will then save me in my docs so that I don't lose the work that I've been doing. Now, say you wanted to navigate around your documents. Say go up to the very beginning. You can use Control Home to get there, jump up to the next break using the up arrow, once to the left, once to the right, once down. Again, all arrow keys in the direction you want to go. Now, say if you wanted to go to the end, just use Control N. But what if you needed to select something to copy using Control C, or needed to move it to another document entirely by using Control X? By adding the Shift key in with the same controls as before, we can select the text between those jumps. Now, say you needed to get between the different documents. You need to copy something from Word into an email or Outlook, or stats from a report into a presentation. Using Alt-Tab combination to switch back to your previously active app windows means you don't have to go hunting for the window with your mouse, and if you accidentally overshot the window you need, hold down the Shift key along with Alt while you tab back to where you need to go. And there you have it. These are some shortcut keys that can really help boost your productivity. By reducing your overall reliance on the mouse and putting these into your daily use of the keyboard to streamline your work, you save yourself time and money. Now, if you found today's productivity pro tip helpful, imagine what more we can do to streamline your business processes and workflow. Here in development at Insight, we specialize in converting Excel processes into robust Power Platform solutions. If you're ready to elevate your business's data game, contact us for your next Excel to Power Platform project. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in our next video or webinar. Thank you.